Yes, people, the Predator PDL. Okay, here's the front hatch. Nice big front storage hatch. Here's the battery bag. Okay, the pedal drive. Small hatch, put your cell phone or your keys, whatever. Okay, nice comfortable seat. Adjustable seat, forward or backwards. Steering knob for the rudder. Okay, another hatch, another storage hatch. Big tank wheel, carry your stuff in, cooler, whatever. This is your rudder. Okay, this is your rudder control, up or down, to raise the rudder up or down. Okay, this is my paddle keeper, my Lowrance fish finder. Anchor trolley system. Well, there she is. Can't wait to take her out on the water.